Are you planning to sell your house and wonder why should I hire someone when I can just do it myself? You certainly can put your home on the market yourself, and you certainly can get a contract to sell it, but hiring a real estate agent can help you on so many different levels. Hi, my name is Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and today I'm going to give you 8 reasons why you need a real estate agent to help sell your home. First of all, a real estate agent or firm can be your advocate for the entire property appraisal process, listing the property, taking pictures of the property, negotiating with potential buyers, holding open houses, doing legal documentation, and much, much more. A real estate agent has the expertise to uncover your goals and address your concerns throughout the process when making big decisions, so that it doesn't become an emotional decision, but a financially wise decision that's most important for your final goals that you had set up in selling your house to begin with. Now, selling a house is also about a competitive market price analysis, and this is why you need someone who really knows the market, the area, the neighborhood, the amenities around that will assist in getting you the top price for your home. A real estate agent will help you declutter, upgrade, repair your property, find contractors to assist with each one of those upgrades and repairs as well. It's all about how you present your property. For that, you need someone who is thoughtfully crafted at having very compelling property descriptions and is going to use aggressive marketing techniques online, as well as professional photography and videos to make sure your home shows the best that it can at its first impression. Now, you can ask your real estate agent to help organize an open house and attract potential buyers as well. An agent will do that for you, collect all the information, and contact and follow up with them continuously until you find a buyer for the property on your behalf, which saves you time. Now that you do not have to stay in your home to manage the property viewings, you can go enjoy life or work or continue with your life schedule while someone else is doing the work on your behalf and making sure your home is being shown while all the features of your home are also showcased. Even if you can sell the house by yourself, it does require some extensive legal paperwork, legal requirements on your behalf that a real estate agent can take over and save you all the hassle of sorting out. Now, trust me when I say that's a very complicated aspect, and you're better at letting a professional handle it instead of missing out on the critical details and paying the penalty later. This is just the tip of the iceberg. A good real estate agent can do all of the above plus more in meeting your needs. If you're considering selling your home, give us a call. We'd be happy to explain how we get your home sold for the top dollar in matching your goals and time frame, and how we would get started.